Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Microsoft Store error code 0x80004003 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And it says, try that again. Page could not be loaded. Please try again later. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in WS Reset. Best match, come back with WS Reset. Go ahead and open that up and give it a moment here. And then hopefully that should have resolved the problem. And if not, you may also want to open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match, come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, go ahead and type in SFC, followed by a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.